Welcome to Crypto and Coffee, one of the best channel in the crypto spheres, my friend. And today episode, I want to talk about Bankos Block Party. It's a game that I haven't I installed on my computers for a long time, but I haven't played for many months, and I decided to update it today and present you just the look and feel of the latest development. I'm going to produce a few videos about it because now they have their own marketplace. You can collect NFTs and sell it back, or you can collect great items. So stay tuned, enjoy the look and feel of Bankos Block Party. I have made difficulty to remember the name of this game, but enjoy the show, my friend. Stay tuned. As you can see, I am on the game right now. I just installed the. It took me about 2.7 gigabyte just to install the game, and it's pretty heavy. It's take about 30 minutes. It's not a big thing. Not about 20-25 minutes to update it because it's been a while that is installed. I had created an account a few months ago, but now they have a lot of development, so I need to keep going with what's the latest development about Bankos Block Party. So as you can see, you have two block party, two custom block party, clean checkpoint weekly, slam the party bottom 10x, grab 500 vibes and feature block party, run 500 meters and block party. Let's go play. It's just a small introduction back, and I plan to create more video to cover more features. So let's go play, my friend. And Q to cancel. Woo! It's fun. I'm going to play Bankos Block Party. That's cool. And Q and Q and Q. It's take a while to load to do. As you can see, I'm not a good singer, my friend. But what I think, what I love, it's coffee. It's pretty intense and heavy on my computers because I heard the graphic cards to work hard, and this is take a while to load the graphics. So NQ, it's take a while to load, play, NQ and cancel. What's happening? I'm not quite sure. As you can see, I have some store here, 0 to 695, and I have this stuff here. I don't remember exactly what is it, and this is, I think, the cryptocurrency of Blancos. I'm not quite sure, but I need to catch up and learn the same time with you. Oh, it's loading. Ploy Party, get ready to party. It's exciting, beautiful graphics of Blancos. This is really cool. I love this clown. That is nice graphic happening. Things really great. Hang tight. Hang tight, my friend. Get ready. So race, how to play. Ready to race. Sprint tight, and you can. Okay, you need to spray the jump, the shift, and the space to jump. So I'm going to check if I can do that. Probably I will be so excited, but it's been a while I haven't played this game, my friend. As you can see, beautiful, well designing. The graphic is so intense, really nice, really great. So party ready. So I need to move around. So I need to shift to move around. I need to wait for other players. They have some other players. Yeah. Woo. Oh, there's some beautiful. Pew. Boom. Oh. So we need to start racing. Go. So we need to pace jump. It's be a while. Ooh, I need to collect stuff. Choo. Boom. I need to jump around. It's be a while. I'm trying to run fast. Woo! Oh, I need to go around back. So I need to jump where I need to go. Oh, I am on the wrong directions. This is not cool. No, I'm falling from the skies. Woo! So I need to start again. Where I need to go? We need to jump. We need to jump in the loops. I'm not quite sure how this thing is working. Okay, we need to jump. Woo! I'm going to lose the fight. I'm not quite. We need to go this way. Oh, that's the reason. I need to go there. My God, it's really difficult, this levels. So I need to go in the loops. And now where I need to go? Okay, so I need to go that way. Okay, we need to go a specific place on it. June. So we need to go this, and then we need to go back. Okay, so we need to go in the circles around. Okay, I understand now. So that's the reason that it's not so easy, this game. See, we need to move around, go jump, and then we can run fast. So now we go in this direction. So we need to go in every circle on the loop and the graphics, and this is really, really cool. So now, oh, where I need to go? I cannot jump there. How to go there? This is really hard. So we need to come back, but how to jump on this place? This is really mystery. So we need to go pink, this, boo, pink, boo, boo. Oops, I'm not quite sure how to go around. So as you can, we need to go here. Boo! Boop, boop. I don't know how to go there. To be honest, I don't know. So I don't care if I don't make it this far on this one. Boo, boo, doo. Oops. It's been a while. It's been a while since I haven't played this game, my friend. So I'm stuck. I see. Oh, look, this beautiful sunset. Oh, it's disappeared. Now it's dark. I feel scary. No. Boo boop boo doo 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 doo. So we need to go. Boo. So 37 seconds remaining. I don't care. I will not make it. I don't know how to do that. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to move around just to look and feel the. So probably I need to play more often on this game if I find interesting. But the graphics is very appealing. I remember the first time they don't have any market, but now they have their own internal market where you can sell and buy Bankos. So I can go to move around here. So you need to move, jump. So probably you need to move around here. I'm not quite sure. So party finishes. Next party starting in 27. Return to desk. So we need to come back to just the look and feel. So I haven't made any money on that or any. You don't make money on this really game. Not quite sure. But I think you can collect right now some NFTs into the game and you can sell it back into the internal market. So if another players want to buy it, they will put shares it on the market on the monetary values. So as you can see, this changed a lot. So I'm going to check here. What is it exactly, this stuff here? So it's a complex challenge. Test your skill and daily, weekly, and seasonal challenge. Each challenge complete put hype into you. Put hype. So this collect Mula, XP, Blankos, NFT. The more hype you bank, the more reward you can claim. This is really cool. Party pass, and then they have next. So you have many things to do. So this is just a comeback for this game. It's take a while just to load the graphics. So I think I need to click next. Complete the challenge and you will earn hype. Bring that hype to me for the dope gear. So you play and you can collect gears, and this is all about. So let's go back. I'm not quite sure. I'm stuck on it. I'm trying next. Back. Okay, also the party. The party, an exciting mystery falls. Okay, so next. Okay. So as you can see, I played a long time ago. And now see next reward and 3. So this is my early access managerial things. So they have different challenge. You have the own internal marketplace. So I'm going to check here. What is it? Manage your collections. So unbox new Blankos, store your collection, and more. Customize your Blankos, gear up, curate. Okay, next. Here, okay. So I just have 2 Blankos. It's been a while, so boost level 4, not quite sure. Close. No, I'm going to close here next. So I'm going to close X. So you have the shells, you have the port here. I think this is the internal market. So feature Blackor medical dash, street reward, RDBs. So I'm going to create more video about it because they have so many features. The game changes a lot since the last time I played. It's really nice game. So Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Press the bell notification bell. Spread the love about this great channel. And thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you have watched until now. Have a great day. See you on the next video.